All right, hey everybody, you know what day it is. I thought this GIF was a cute one. All right, watching the video, you're off to a good start for task 1 of today. Today is your off day, no exercising today. Complete this assignment below. Talks about the terms of movement, and these terms of movement are important because you do them without even realizing it, okay? Trying to learn a little bit of anatomy here, so you're going to learn those terms and start to piece together all the different parts that go into exercising, okay? So you're going to watch this video. You're going to download the PDF at the bottom of the page in Notability, and you're going to type all your answers, okay? So scroll all the way down to the PDF, making sure you type your answers. So if we click on the anatomical terms of movement here, okay, it'll say it is due today, April 8th at 11:59. You're going to open it in Notability, type your answers in your own words, define each anatomical term of movement as it relates to movement, and list 2 exercises that include that movement. And then you're going to cite all the sources you used on the reference page, okay, minimum of 2 sources. So what you're doing first, you're going to type in flexion, and you're going to find the definition, okay? So making sure that it has to do with movement. So some of these words might have other meanings, but making sure it is one that is exercise related. Okay, so you're going to type in the definition in your own words, and then you're going to think of 2 exercises that you use flexion in. Okay, so it can be of your arm, it can be of your leg, really any flexion in your body, you get to pick 2 exercises. You're going to do this for all terms here in the box, and then you're going to cite your sources. So you're going to put your web link in here that you used to figure out your answers. So you just need 2 sources. If you use more than that, put those in here as well. But again, define them all, typing it out, 2 exercises each, cite your sources, upload it to Schoology by tonight at 11:59. Let me know if you have any questions.